so we made it to Ghost Wrap, and actually my gas light came on, so I might need to get gas after, but that's just a suggestion. So yeah, I'm gonna be dropping these things off here at Ghost Wrap, see right there. So yeah, let me drop this stuff off, and then I'll be right back. Damn, Amazon rolling deep. Shoo! So yeah, I just dropped off everything at Ghost Wrap to get wrapped. Hopefully I get everything back today so I can put it all on, because I work for the rest of the week and I won't have time. So yeah, right now we are heading to the gas station because I am almost on E. Alright, so I decided, since it's my day off today, and I didn't do the front tires on the last video. I said I was going to, but I didn't. Yeah, we're gonna go take the car over to the shop and get these 2 front tires put on, so I don't have any more issues with tires. Oh yeah, new tires going on. Alright guys, so I actually forgot to take my camera with me, but I just picked everything up. These are the side skirts, and then here I got the rear bumper apron. Everything's all from Bayson R. So I mean, the quality looks good so far, but we'll see how everything fits. But yeah, it looks so good wrapped. Look at all that glitter. Now I just got to put them on and see how everything fits. I got all the hardware here. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to put on everything today, but we'll see. We'll give it a shot because I'm going to run out of daylight. So yeah. Alright guys, so it's been a couple days now since we put on the side skirts. I actually put them on fuck, when did I put them on? So the last clip, I actually did not end up putting on the side skirts. I waited till the following week, which was for me 2 days ago on Sunday. Today is actually 3 days ago. 3 days ago on Sunday. I put on the side skirts. Today is Wednesday. I am off work, so I know I did not record when I put the side skirts on, which is probably like the most important part, but this is not a how to install video, and I actually don't know if I put them on right, but let's walk over to the car, see how they look. Damn. So these are the TRD side skirts from Bayson R, and I also got the rear aprons. I think those are TRD as well. And I put those on, and so these side skirts actually come with like a little flap right here that goes up, and with my vents right here, it wouldn't work. So what I did, I saw my friend Danny's video, SSJ Danny, shout out to you. He actually cut this part off. It's like a little flap that goes up to here. So I went ahead and copied him. I cut it off as well, wrapped over it from far. Can't really tell, but it looks so good. Yeah, from far, it actually doesn't look bad, but if you go up close, it kind of sticks out a little bit. I can put my finger in here, and the cut isn't the best, but hey, it looks so good. And those rear aprons, man, dang, it looks so good. I don't know if you can hear me. It's kind of loud because the freeway is literally right there, but oh my gosh, with the rear aprons, it completely changed the rear view of the car. Dang, check it out. So I definitely needed to add side skirts for a while now, and I'm so glad I did. It looks so freaking good. I honestly thought it was gonna make it lower so that when I aired out it would be on the floor, but it's not that much lower, as you can see. So yeah guys, this is how it looks with the side skirts and the rear aprons on now. It's just so freaking good. Okay, so I know I put in a clip as well of me being at the tire shop. The previous video, I put on my rear tires, and those were the 225/40 18s because the first ones that I bought were too small and way too stretched, and I didn't like it. Since my front tires are also really worn out, I put those in the front. So now you can see these actually stretch quite a bit. You can see the inside of the barrel right there. But I'm just gonna run them for now. Hopefully I don't debead, but those are extremely stretched. These are not stretched that much. So we'll see how it goes. But dang, the car looks so freaking good. Okay, so actually two things that I forgot to mention. When I put on my side skirts, I actually did get rid of the rear camber. So it doesn't tuck in as much as it did before. It still tucks a little bit, you can see, but not as much as it was before, just because I don't want the tires to wear out really quickly like they did last time. And I mentioned in my video that my Subaru badge fell off at the car wash. The following day I went to Cars and Conchas and I put the badge on the car, so if people took any pictures, it would still be on the car and still look cool. My dumbass forgot to take it off, and I drove off with it on the car. When I got home, it was no longer there, so it fell off. So now I need a new badge, but she still looks really good regardless of all her flaws. I'm gonna get a new bumper soon anyways, so that doesn't bother me. Yeah, and then check out that chrome tint. Jeez, looks so good. About time. I know. So we're at the shoot spot. Got the boys over there taking pictures. It's my boy Aiden's car. God damn, looks sick.
They did it to you.
Wow. It's a cool little spot. Got the view of the 15 freeway down there. Got my whip, got my boy Chris, Aiden. Just taking a few pics before the meet tonight. Alright, successful shoot. Got my boy Mando there. My boy Aiden. About to roll over to the meet. Alright, so we're done with the shoot now. We're actually heading down to the meet. We're gonna go get gas first. Yeah, so if I have any of the pictures that we took today, by the time I edit this, I'll just put them in right here. Some of them came out pretty sick. I still got a few dope videos for Instagram Reels. Oh my god, look how good. We're rolling deep. We got kicked out of the first spot, so now we're all rolling into the second spot. Now the R33, the Z. Got to park right here.